so they need to be cleaned out. We're gonna get these all flushed and rinsed out and get the downspouts flowing. We're gonna be doing here solar panel cleaning. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 panels. Let's take a look at the panels there. Oh wait, look over here. We have two huge, two big old gashes right here. So we're gonna note that right now before we go any further. You can see there's 2, 1, 2, 3 solar panels that are. Oh, there's a fourth one that we're gonna look on this one. This fourth one. So they're also going to need. I would recommend it that they get the panels. I have the panels there. Get those all taken care of right there. So there's 4 towels. Let's look down in the gutter right here and see what we see. I don't see any wash things in there. So again, these gutters seem to be flushed. You can tell that, you can see all that. We're gonna get all these flushed out. I don't know if you can see with the camera, but yeah, all the way. That's probably like a 60-foot stretch down there. It definitely needs to be cleaned. There's dead rust over there. Okay, so we're gonna go down and give our report, and then we'll get back to it. All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit allterrain.com for supreme cleaning. Notice what make that phone number ring. Of course, I didn't take a little bit in this gutters right here. I don't know if you can see that in that gutter. You see some algae, not algae, but some mold. So it's turning green and a little bit of dirt and stuff in here. Nothing super major, so it should just flush out once we put our nozzle in there and shoot the stuff out. But the car is really close right there too, so some dirt might get on these vehicles. And I told them I'm gonna just check to make sure what's inside of here. Making sure that we flush this down as good as possible as we can. Take a look on this side here. And you can see right here the same thing. I don't know if you can see that down there, but that's what's inside the gutters right there. So what it could have been is the walls were coming around to nest in there in the mud to stay cool, looking for mud cadavers. All right, so we'll be back. All right, A-Team, you got your captain getting it in, hands-on, one story, thoroughly cleaning and rinsing the gutters out. That's the same area that we had to remove small pieces of broken towel from out of that gutter playing there. Actually, from all around there. It's a newer community here. Home's about 3 years old. And we're carefully walking by. Wanted to give that cinematic feel right here with the background music playing. So you continue to enjoy watching the cleaning process, and then we'll be back shortly with the after photos and how today's cleaning service went. Allterrain.com for the supreme clean. You know the slogan. Want you to be so kind and make that phone number ring.
All-Terrain Cleaning Solution LLC is the top-tier cleaning solution provider, providing stellar services for residents and businesses alike in the Sacramento region.
Can't really see it as good.
A-Team, we're just about wrapping up now, finishing this service where we had solar panel cleaning of 10 panels and about 210 linear feet of gutter cleaning services, and it went off without a hitch. Textbook as always. All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. If you're in the Sacramento region, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to assist you. allterrain.com, or you know our slogan for the Supreme Clean, make that phone number ring. Check out these after photos here, as well as the before photos, which you're looking at now. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.